This course began as a daily devotional given Mondays to Fridays, and it went for 4 weeks, a total of a month. During that time, virtually every facet of doing business was covered simply and yet in a fair amount of detail. There are 20 different topics here that are covered. I'm going to mention them very quickly, but you'll need to read the book to get all the details. Here they are: developing wisdom and understanding, discovering your hidden gems, identifying your deepest desires, developing your core desires, stirring up your core desires, using diligence to develop your skills, learning how to keep motivated, how to develop new ideas, how to get revelation for business, finding the right timing for ideas, using love to influence others, tapping into supernatural wisdom, learning how to journal for business, avoiding false worldly principles, assessing your net worth and value, how to rise above your feelings, learning how to sell, building circles of influence, moving from learner to teacher, and finally, how to build an organization. If you're wanting to get going in business and not sure where to start, this is a perfect introduction to the whole subject, and by the time you finish, you'll understand whether you have what it takes to actually start and run your own business.